Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. So today I will tell you about the Xing profile. What is Xing profile? How can you access this and how can you find job for yourself? I have created one Xing profile for me so that I can teach you, I can tell you how can you search job in Europe. Like LinkedIn we use in India and Xing. This is the Xing. I can show you the screen. This is the Xing profile. Okay, here you can create your own account. This is my account, Aditya Sharma. This is my home page, network messages. So I will tell you. So this is the Xing. You can Google and create your profile. After creating your profile, this kind of page will be opened. You can become premium member by paying some amount, or if you do not want to be premium member, of course you can get so many job offers. You can be in touch with the people who are working in Germany, Switzerland, Austria, basically in entire Europe. This Zing is very popular. Like in India, LinkedIn is very popular. So if you want to find a job, so I can tell you, like, just type here, suppose IT jobs, IT sector. So IT jobs you can write in the search option and keyword is IT. So these are the different jobs you can see here. I'll just click on the first IT worker jobs. Everything will be in German. You can change the language, but German is okay because I hope you understand. So Microsoft hat die Pandemie am besten gemacht, sagte die Angestellte des Unternehmens, zumindest indirekt. So here, once you are suitable for this job, then you can click here. In LinkedIn, you can post this post, you can share it on Facebook, you can tweet, and you can send direct email if you have any query, or you can share to the WhatsApp or any other social media. Okay, unmelden means apply. Okay, you can apply through this. This is a contact person. You can, okay, you can write to him. Similarly, if I find some other jobs, so we can go to again search option. Okay, and here you can find also information related to the jobs. There are many companies. You can search the companies, like these are the companies: CPU 24/7 GmbH Potsdam. This is in Germany, Frankfurt am Main. Okay, like I clicked here, I search the company. If there is any vacancy in this company, you can go through it, you can write to them, you can send your email, updated resume, employees. Okay, these are the employees of this company. You can be in touch with them if they allow, and you can find their contact details. This is the communication manager. Okay, this is the location and the address of this company. So like this you can find so many companies, similar companies. Like this, there are similar company, Merkel Germany, Euroweb Group. So like there are so many companies. Show more option, you can go and find some other companies. Okay, dürfen wir uns vorstellen. This is some information, you can get it. Okay, so like if I check my messages, I am in contact with some people, so they have sent me messages. If I want, I can apply to the jobs. Like these are the people who are in my contact, they sent me. I'm checking after so many years. So Sebastian, you are highly skilled and experienced. This is the message I got from Sebastian Holt Camper. Okay, and there's a link. If I wish to apply, we provide and teach you the tools you need to stand out of masses and to succeed. Okay, 4th of Jan, it was outdated, but I'm just showing you. You can be in touch and you can find such kind of offers. Okay, like there are another person. Hallo Herr Sharma, vielen Dank für die Aufnahme in Ihr Netzwerk. So I just sent him request. So now he is in my contact. I can talk to this person. There are so many people who are in touch. So you can become friends. You can become colleagues here. You can do live chat. Okay, but you have to be very honest. You have to share the details related to the work. Okay, no personal information. And you can find some other information about the people who are professionals. You can see their profile. Okay, it's a very good platform. Okay, if you want to get a job in Europe especially. So this is called Xing. 3 people may be a good connection for you. So like any other social network, this is also very good for finding jobs. Like jobs, here is the column. I click here jobs and find the right job for you. So we can New Delhi, or I can search, I can put it Berlin is the capital of Germany. Okay, and then we search location Berlin, workplace, and these are the 80,000 jobs. Okay, Leiterin, Trainerin, team assistants, Leitungs, you can see. And if I find, these are the jobs posted 15 hours ago, 7 hours ago, yesterday this job was posted. Okay, Kaufmännische Fachprojekt, Musik Publishing, Trainer, e-learning, blended learning. Okay, I just click here, e-learning. Yesterday they posted this job. So what is the requirement? We'll see here. Okay, you can read this detail. Male, okay, man, woman, and Deutsche, blended learning. They are looking for trainer, as trainer. This is the responsibilities. Okay, this is the requirements. Thus brings to meet. Tile. These are the advantages if we become the part of their organization. And location. This is the detail, and we can follow. We can contact them. So like this it works. Okay, if I find similar jobs, there are also some other jobs: e-learning developer, Ausbilder, Fachinformatiker, trainer. So there are so many jobs in the Deutsche DB, okay, engineer, the Deutsche Bahn, German railways, like Indian railways. There is also German railways. So if you want to work there, trainer, customer service in Berlin, you can see these are the jobs, different jobs. No need to go anywhere, just use this, okay, and you can find so many jobs here. You can enter name and keyword like computer science, or I like data scientist. It's very popular job, data scientist. If I can find any job or anything, any person, any suitable person. No jobs. Alright, data scientist, no job. So I have to change the location first. Should be Frankfurt. Okay, let's see if we have any option in Frankfurt. If we get any opportunity in the Frankfurt, it's in German city. 146 jobs in the Frankfurt of data scientist. Okay, I'll just click here. I'll read the details here. If I want to become premium member, I can click here and pay the some amount, or if I wish to apply, I can click here apply. Okay, this is my profile, my resume is already here. Okay, and then I can upload here my updated CV. Any comment I can write here, and then I can submit. That's so simple. Okay, very simple process. So if you wish to apply here, like data scientist, healthcare, Frankfurt, data scientist, senior data scientist, okay, data scientist, so many jobs, actuarial science. Okay, I'll click some other jobs. Engineer, IT sector, we have seen already in the Frankfurt. IT specialist, okay, Frankfurt location, 4,973 jobs, and recently posted jobs 10 hours ago, yesterday this job was posted. You can see the latest jobs you can find here on this platform. So very good platform. Just go to the profile Xing. Okay, I'll show you again. Here you can click Xing on the Google, click here. Since I have already my account, so I can show you few steps, and then my account is open because I am already a member, I am already logged in. So this way you can find a job for yourself. Just now go to the home page and it appears like this. Once you are done with the profile, you will have your login page, and then you can search jobs, enter your name of keywords at the top here. Okay, a job, here you can find the jobs like I was searching. Okay, first of all you change the location, and then within 20 kilometers you can search. Here you can type the title of the job, and here different companies you can find here. If you want to work with any particular company like Siemens, Deutsche Bahn, BMW, Mercedes, Bosch, these are all world famous companies. Allianz, Deutsche Post, Volkswagen. Okay, so many companies are listed below. Suppose I want to check out some jobs in BMW, Munich. Click here, find out the jobs. Okay, you can follow their page. You can click here follow. You can become follower so that you get to know about the latest jobs. So that's so simple. I hope you understand. I hope you find it interesting and informative. So go there and find a suitable job for you. I wish you all good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.